What's up guys, Tech Central here with a $500 gaming PC build. Now this gaming PC will be capable of playing all the games that you throw at it at 1080p maxed out, getting really good frame rates. All the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box in the order that they appear, so it's easier for you guys to find them. But with that being said, let's get started with the case. For the case, I went the AeroCool Cyclone RGB mid-tower PC case. Now this case is currently going for $50 on Amazon. This is a really nice looking case. It features a acrylic side panel window, and it also features a RGB strip on the front fascia. This is a really nice looking case. I actually built in this case, and I can tell you it is really good for cable management and looks very clean. Next up for the power supply I went is the EVGA 500BR. This is a 80 plus bronze certified power supply that is currently going for $55. This is a 500 watt power supply, and this power supply will be capable of powering all the components in this build. For the motherboard, I want the Asus Prime B450MA CSM AMD Ryzen motherboard. This is currently going for $79 on Amazon. Now this motherboard is capable of overclocking, so I paired this motherboard with the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. This processor is currently going for $89 on Amazon. This features 4 cores. It has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a max boost clock of 4 GHz. This is a really good processor because it is unlocked, which means you can get a little bit more out of it. This processor will be capable of handling editing and gaming. For RAM, I want the Patriot Viper Steel Series DDR4 8GB for $33. This is a really good deal. It comes clocked at 3200 MHz, and as many of you know, the APU sockets from AMD require more megahertz for better performance, so this will get the job done. And for the graphics card, I went the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 overclocked 4GB GDR5 graphics card that is currently going for $150 on Amazon. This is a really good budget-friendly graphics card. It comes clocked at 1695 MHz. Now this graphics card will be capable of handling all games at 1080p maxed out, getting really good frame rates, and also depending on the game, it can handle 4K. Now obviously you can't max out 4K unless it's a really light game, but for what you're paying, this is a really good graphics card. And lastly, for storage, I went the Silicon Power 512GB SSD. This is currently going for $52 on Amazon. This SSD will be capable of holding most of, if not all, your games. Now obviously if you have a lot of games that require more space, then you can opt for a hard drive. You won't get the boot speed unless you go with the 128GB SSD for $20 and put a 1TB hard drive for $50. You have many options, but for $52, this is a really good SSD. Now with all of these components in this build, the price comes out to $501 exactly. But over time, price does fluctuate, so depending on when you're watching this video, the price may go up or may go down. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, bookmark my Amazon affiliate link, and use it when you buy stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.